Hi, Sam Burke, Corporate Chef for Meat and Livestock Australia. Today I'm going to show you how to cook red meat creatively over open fire. With Mother's Day coming up, what not a better way to celebrate that momentous occasion with a wonderful Australian butterflied lamb leg over the barbecue. Today I'm going to show you how to do this. So to accompany our butterflied lamb leg roast, we've got a roasted cauliflower and Mediterranean salad with a twist. Boning a butterflied leg of lamb turns a wintering cut into a prime cut ready for the grill. Almost like a big steak. Today, we're just going to open it up and we're going to season it with sea salt, cracked black pepper, repeat the process on the other side. Don't be afraid to put a few slashes in your lamb. This will allow the lamb to really cook well on the barbecue hot plate and not curl up. We've got our rosemary brush. I'm just going to baste it with oil. Cooking time on this would be almost 15 to 20 minutes each side, almost like cooking a big steak. So we've got a cauliflower here that we've blanched for 7 minutes and then we've cooled down. It'll go fantastically with the lamb. We're going to bake it in our wood-fired oven, and I've made a bit of a braise with paprika, cumin, olive oil, salt and pepper and garlic. Mother's Day is important to me. It reminds me of bringing the family together, enjoying what mums have done for us over the years, and really celebrating with Australian lamb. Lamb's all ready to go on the barbecue. Let's put the cauliflower in the wood-fired oven. Now it's time for our butterflied barbecue leg of lamb to go onto the coals. So we've got our lamb and leg and we're going to put it skin side down on our barbecue. Now if you've got a normal barbecue, I recommend you getting it to a high temperature and then reducing it to medium once you put the lamb leg on the grill plate. For Mother's Day, there was nothing better than a lamb leg roast on the weekend with all the veggies and the sides. It was just something that brought the family together. We really enjoyed it, we celebrated it and we remembered it. And that's what brings the magic into this dish for your Mother's Day today. A pro tip for sharing your lamb, squeeze a lemon to finish. Tip on carving lamb, you want to cut across the grain and start at the end. Just the simplicity of Australian red meat over the coals, the flavour, the appearance, the smells, the atmosphere. Unbeatable. And there you have it, a butterflied roast leg of lamb straight off the coals. To accompany tahini yogurt, pomegranate, my salad and roasted cauliflower. Till next time, cooking more Australian red meat outdoors in the backyard.